14 Easy Crochet Duster Cardigan Free Patterns. This free crochet pattern is for a long cardigan with a simple, elegant style. This crochet duster cardigan pattern is easy to make and requires no sewing, which is a big plus. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a long, oversized cardigan duster with pockets. This is a free crochet pattern for a long cardigan, the Robin Duster. This video is a free tutorial showing you how to crochet a chevron pattern cardigan. This free crochet pattern helps you make a long sweater or duster that looks wonderful. This free crochet duster cardigan is a cozy, easy-to-wear garment perfect for everyday comfort. This free crochet pattern lets you make a long and comfortable cardigan. This crochet duster is made with yarn that is easy to care for. This video shows you how to crochet a duster cardigan. This free crochet pattern helps you make a long flowing kimono duster. The Sweater Weather Cardi is a long modern crochet cardigan featuring the textured lemon peel stitch. This crochet pattern is for a long airy duster cardigan called the Maple Grove Cardigan. This project shows you how to crochet a long duster cardigan. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.